Let me stop and see whether the fan has kicked in. I don't know, the coolant oil is leaking, guys. எதனால லீக் ஆகுதுன்னு தெரியல. Well, and the oil, I think because the oil is going upwards, it's getting leaked, or I'm not sure pretty much what is happening. It shouldn't. Anyway, I'm going to the Royal Enfield showroom. So if it is still going to leak, I have to go and check what is happening, why it is a problem. Actually, I thought of showing you what temperature the engine actually gets during the traffic and when the fan kicks in, radiator fan. But I think till now it's like 60 to 80, 60, 70 degrees Celsius. Still, I don't think the fan is kicked in. Might be because of the engine oil is leaking. I'm not sure. I have to check again whether the engine oil is leaking again. Let me see now. Can you guys see here the coolant oil? Actually, it is dripping off. We don't know how and why. Said because it is very down. So this is a very big problem. See here. Okay, guys, I think the fan is switched on. Once it is at 90 degrees Celsius, the fan is getting switched on. Little frustrating, guys, because the engine coolant oil is getting leaked. Okay, I'm not sure how long it has been leaking, but just now when I checked, when I parked my vehicle, it has been leaking. So I'm not aware what is the quantity of the coolant oil right now in the radiator, whether it is leaking from the first, or I did not notice it, or it is leaking just now. I'm not aware, because I am pretty sure I did not hit it, or no one has pulled that pipe from the radiator. So I think probably the pipe that reaches the radiator is not fully fixed to the top. It is a bit lower. Because of that, I think when the oil pumps into the engine to cool it, it is getting leaked. So I'm on the way to the service center. I'm not sure how long they'll be. It's like almost like 5 o'clock, but I think it should be a easy fix, but I'm not sure what they're gonna do, because it is like really annoying. I think they should have plugged it to the top. I have to ask them to check the full coolant oil and how much quantity it is there, or it is at the low level, or whatever it is. I have to go and ask them, and I have to ask them to tighten the pipe a bit high, close to the radiator guard. So, but I don't think there is an issue with the engine temperature, since I noticed it is like close to 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. I have not ridden a oil cooled engine so far. So till now all my bikes were air cooled, so I don't know how usually high the temperature will go. So if you guys are aware what is the maximum temperature that the bike engine can go, please put me in the comments. But I will do some research and I'll make sure I learn it. But this issue at the new bike, which is not even like 340 kilometers, it is annoying. So lesson learned: whenever you guys are taking a new Himalayan, make sure the pipe is fixed fully at the top of the radiator. Okay, so I think that should be the fix. Guys, I have reached the Pullman showroom, but now actually it has stopped. Leakage has stopped, but still I can see few. But I have to go and let them know what is the problem. So I don't know whether the service engineers will be available, but I have no other option to go to them, tell them to fix it a bit high. Only then the problem will be issued. Only then the problem will be solved here. சின்ன ப்ராப்ளம் செக் பண்ணும். சின்ன ப்ராப்ளம் செக் பண்ணும். Actually guys, from here the coolant oil is getting leaked. Okay, so I think because the pipe is bended here, I think it is coming out. So I don't know, I think they have to push it to the top and then fix it over there. That should solve the problem. Let me check. Hey guys, finally what happened is they said I have to leave the bike there in order to rectify the issue, because they said the mechanics here will not able to see it. They have specific mechanics for RE and they will assist them after taking an issue. And they opened the coolant oil and the oil was very less. I'll attach the video link here so you can clearly see the oil level has decreased. So now they have asked me to drop in my home, so I am back on the way to my home without having a revelation. So I don't know, RE service, I was not expecting this, but I don't know how long RE is gonna take it to rectify, because these guys are very much invested in Himalayan. So if I'm gonna post this video in YouTube, I don't know what they're gonna do. But so it is an eye opener for you guys that since I am doing it, you guys can be well aware, okay, what is the root cause of the issue, whether it is due to the pressure it's coming out or it's due to the tag that is not tied in properly, or I'm not aware what happened. I don't know how long it will take them to rectify the issue, but still I hope RE will take it seriously and do its own and update me. So, but the persons in showroom were kind. They were kind enough to assist me with all the issue, and they have asked someone to drop me in home too. So I'm on the way to home. So I'll keep you updated guys, what is happening with my bike, whether how and when will I get it. So okay, hi friends, so finally what happened is my RE has been ready, my Himalayan has got ready. So actually was an issue with the radiator, right, radiator oil leakage, but now they have sorted it out. I'll show you, my vehicle is here, I'll show you where was the problem. Okay, so actually they have done a free water wash, and here was the problem. You see here, this is where the oil was leaking. So they said they have tightened this connector. This connector was loose since, so because of that the washer issue. So now the connector has been fixed, and also they have refilled the whole coolant oil. Okay, actually the coolant oil second tank will come here. Just underneath this you will find the second tank, and the first tank is here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's inside there, below the, okay, see here, it's here. So the process is you have to remove the whole tank and then remove the side door from inside, okay, and then you have to fill it here and as well as here. You have to drain out the whole hose, and there will be one more nut over here. Okay, here you will have the nut. So this is the drain nut. Once you drain that, whole coolant oil will come down, and after that they will have to refill it. So I checked with them. They said close to it took like 750 ml of uh, 750 ml to fill it. So, but now, yeah, it's filled, and my bike is ready. I'm gonna take it to a long ride again. I'm on the way to E Road. I just came by Rapido, and hopefully they have given a good water wash. So I think that should be fine. I have to just check the lube on my chain. So the lube is there. Okay, you can see there is enough lube. So I could take it. So he's Wasim. He took care of my bike really good. Actually, guys, in Bullman Motors, they took care of my bike really good. Okay, and his name is Wasim. So he took care of the bike and he made it delivery by within 2 days. Guys, so actually the problem was with Ari. They haven't provided the coolant oil. He really took good care in order to get my vehicle soon, and everything is fine now. So I'm going to take a ride and let me see if there is any issues. I'll take it back. So it's a reminder. So in case if you guys are taking a RE Himalayan vehicle, make sure those knobs are really tight. If not, make sure you tighten it before the delivery. And I'll give you the coolant oil variant what they are using. It's from Total Company. I'll mark it here somewhere. So I think that should be easy for you guys to find it in case in local. But in order to get that, it took some time. So yeah, actually RE took really good care. They have a specific team for Himalayan 450. They came over the online and they inspected the things, and also they told how to service this. So it was a quick fix rather than any other RE motorcycle in my history. And probably make a watch in case in future if you guys take a Himalayan, you have to make sure that these things have to be checked. Okay, so I hope you like this video. This is the first Himalayan 450 issue that I'm reporting. I think it should be the first in the whole internet. So yeah, that's it. In case if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel because more videos are coming soon. And if you like it, like it. If you don't like it, just give me a thumbs down, and make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends who's going to take Himalayan or who has already taken the Himalayan. And I'm going to leave from here. I'm going to ride for next 150 kilometers and give it to the next service. But really good guys, good work from Bullman Motors and as well as from Mari. Fix this issue shortly. Okay. So yeah, thanks. So always be safe, ride safe. Take care of your vehicle, take care of yourself, and always keep in mind there is someone waiting in our home. So keep that in mind, ride safely. Okay. Thanks guys. We'll meet you in